Hey everyone, important information here. The JEE Main 2025 admit cards for the January 28th, 29th, and 30th exams have just been released by the NTA. On January 23rd, 2025, NTA published the notice stating the release of the admit cards. If you're gearing up for one of these dates, listen closely because I've got some crucial updates for you. First things first, go to the official NTA website and download your admit card right away. Make sure all the details on the card are correct, your name, photograph, and exam center. If you spot any errors, contact the NTA immediately. Stay calm, stay confident, and give it your best shot. You've got this. And now, how to download your admit card. It's quite simple. Let's go through the steps to download your JEE Main 2025 admit card. First, visit the official NTA website. Go to Candidate Activity section, then click on the JEE admit card link. You'll be prompted to enter details as shown, including your application number and password. Make sure you enter the correct information. After entering these details, click on Submit. Your admit card will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to download and print it. Double-check all the details to ensure everything is correct. One important thing, if the link for your dates, that is, January 28th, 29th, and 30th exams, is not showing, don't panic. It will be added soon by NTA under the Candidate Activity section. If you encounter any other issues, contact the NTA helpline immediately. Again, the admit cards for candidates scheduled for exams on 22nd, 23rd, and 24th was already released by NTA on the 18th of January 2025. That's it. Good luck for your exam. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.